Hi friends, last time we discussed about the basic introduction on chemical basis of life. So today we'll discuss about carbohydrates. Well, carbohydrates are the most abundant organic compound on earth. Basically, everywhere you can see plants. So plants are mainly composed of these carbohydrates. This is a simple example for its abundance in the earth. So basically its elemental composition is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So this shows in red color the common molecular formula for carbohydrates. The ratio between hydrogen and oxygen is all equal to the ratio between hydrogen and oxygen of a water molecule. So what are the examples for carbohydrates? So basically there are so many examples for carbohydrates, but I have given here some pictures of the sources of foods containing carbohydrates. So say, for example, the simple sugars, rice, wheat, potato, and several grains. These are few examples for carbohydrates. So this is a classification based on the way of carbohydrates formed. So the simplest form is the monosaccharide, and two monosaccharides combine to form disaccharides, and a large number of monosaccharides combine to form polysaccharides. So we'll discuss from here onwards, we'll discuss further about these monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides in detail. So monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are actually simple sugars, and their structural unit is these are the structural units of carbohydrates. So we name these monosaccharides based on the carbon number actually. So to begin with, if the carbon number is 3, it is known as a triose. If the carbon number is 4, it is a tetrose. If the carbon number is 5, that monosaccharide is a pentose. If the carbon number is 6, that monosaccharide is a hexose. So according to your syllabus, we are focusing only on hexoses. Basically, you will learn about three types of hexoses. As you can see in this picture, these are three structural formulas of three monosaccharides, basically glucose, fructose, galactose. These are actually highly water soluble and they are crystal in shape. So this is an electron microscopic image of a crystalline simple sugar molecule. So these monosaccharides can be found in ripened fruits, bee honey, dairy products, in vegetables, in so many uh, plant materials or plant products. So this is the even the glucose is the first product of photosynthesis, and fructose is the sweetest sugar in the world. So disaccharides are formed by combining two monosaccharide units. Therefore, this reaction is forms a bond which is known as a glycosidic. So the bonds formed between monosaccharides or carbohydrates are known as glycosidic bonds. So same as in monosaccharides, these are sweet in taste and these are water soluble crystals. So uh, these monosaccharides can be obtained from these disaccharides again by hydrolysis reaction. So basically there are three popular examples: maltose, sucrose, and lactose are the examples for disaccharides. So maltose can be frequently found in germinating seeds, and even when you eat raw rice or starchy food, you may feel a sweeter taste in tongue. That is mainly due to lactose.